Visible part of the axle. Looks good. Tires. No bar, no clutch. Inner wall. Outer wall. Straight. The rings. All the lug nuts. The bag stem are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is good level. The parts of the body cannot touch the wheel. Sir, put to the right side. Engine oil. Level is good. Steering fluid. Also good level. Both steering parts are solid. Pump belts are good. The frame, as far as I can see, looks good. Lip support here and there. Master lip spring, both your bolt and shock absorber are good. Visible part of the axle looks good. Tires, no clutch. Inner wall, outer wall. The treads, the rim, all the lug nuts and valve stem are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is good level. Sir, are you good?
Anything in the body can touch that. Anything in the body can touch that. Dito ka lang.
Lubricant is happy.
Anything in the body can touch the wheel.
Anything in the body can touch the wheel. Sir, close the hood. General spec in front of the trucks are looks good. All marking lights, both headlights, both park lights. Wait lang.
Signal light.
Connect ko.
Hindi, okay lang. Basta,
Ulit.
hindi, okay lang. Tuloy mo lang mamaya na mag-oras.
Kailan signal light? Yung ano? Ayan. Kaliwa lang ano?
Kaliwa muna. Pagka nakaikot ka na.
Kanan naman.
Ulitin mo na lang doon.
Sige.
Sige na, mamaya. Yung pagsara ng out, medyo bilisan mo ha. I-practicein mo. Practicein mo yung pagsara ng hood para hindi ka masyadong aksaya sa kwan.
Hindi pareho ng hood yung bumper yung iba, di ba?
Kaya pag yung
Yung
habol
BNL.
pa lang, practicein mo na yung mabilis. Ha?
Yung vinyl, hindi pareho ng bumper. Ano yan? Start?
Start.
Oh.
Threads. Pag ganyan mo, ganyan siya. Yung all the walls. Ganyan mo lang. Inner wall. Outer wall. Ganyan mo siya. Outer wall. Sabay mo yung mata mo. Huwag yung ganyan lang. Medyo haklasin mo ng medyo kwan.
May action.
Atlas.
With action, no?
Oh, medyo ano ba, lamasin mo kanti.
Ayun.
Sir, I'm ready for my outside inspection. Coolant level is good. The frame, as far as I can see, looks good. Lip support here and there. Master lip spring, both your bolt and shock absorber are good. Visible part of the axle looks good. Tires, no flat. Inner wall, outer wall. The treads, the rims, all the lug nuts and valve stem are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is good level. No part of the body cannot touch the wheel. Sir, tapos the right side.
Other side. Left side.
Engine oil level's good. Steering fluid level's good. Steering, both steering parts are solid. Pump belts are good. The frame, as far as I can see, looks good. Lip support, here and there. Master lip spring, bolt to bolt, and shock absorber are good. No visible part of the axle. Looks good. Tires, no flats. Inner wall, the outer wall, the treads, the ring, all the lug nuts and bob them are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is good level. No parts of the body cannot touch the wheel. There, I can do. General aspect in front of the trucks looks good. All marking lights, both headlight, both park light, and signal light on the left are working. License plate is present. Wheels are aligned. The suspension is setting level on the ground. No leak under the engine. No signs of leakage under the engine. Bump brakes are solid. Side mirror bracket are solid. Fire extinguisher is present. Door closed properly. Signal light on the left are working. 3 triangle are present. General aspect, the body of the trailer and tractor looks good. Cross member, here and there, looks good. The frame, as far as I can see, looks good. 2 gladan and 2 gladan air hose and 7 ways are connected properly. Fuel cap is present. And both fasteners are properly tight. No leak under the engine.
Tag.
Nga pala, tang. No leak under the tank. Tire, no flats.
Unahin mo to.
Ha?
Mauna ka dun sa buwan.
Suspension muna. Suspension bracket. Ay, hindi ah. Ano to, lip support. Lip support, master lip spring, bolt to bolt, and shock absorber are good. Wheels, wheels alalay niya. Wheels alalay. Nothing in between. All the walls. The tread. The rim. All the lug nuts. And both bob stems are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is not visible. Tires, no flats. Air balloons inflated. Sweep wheel, upper plate.
Upper frame.
Ha?
Upper frame.
Upper frame mo tayo.
Ay, upper plate pala. Upper plate.
Upper plate. Sweep wheel. Sweep wheel is latch. And lock indicator pin are properly locked. All anchoring bolts looks good. Visible frame here looks good. Lip support, master lip spring, bolt to bolt, and shock absorber are good. Wheels are aligned, nothing between. All the walls. The treads. The rings, all the lug nuts, and both bob stems are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is not visible. Front flap is present. Air balloons inflated. Cross member looks good. Check the door. Properly locked. They are. First member, here and there. Looks good. Park light na niya.
Both park lights.
Both park light and signal light on the left are working. Cross member. Looks good. Signal light on the left are working. Upper frame. From front to back. Lower frame. From front to back. Looks good. Cross member are good. Two lock indicator pin are properly locked. Suspension bracket, the arm, shock absorber are good. Tires. Ay, wheels align, hindi dapat yan. Wheels align. Ito yung kita ka ito, ito lang.
Oo, ganyan lang.
Wheels align. Inner wall, outer wall, the threads, the rings, all the lug nuts, in bob same are good. No leak in the hub, lubricant is visible. Tires, no flat, air balance is inflated. The visible part of the axle looks good. Visible frame here looks good. Suspension bracket, the arm, shock absorber are good. Inner wall, outer wall, the threads, the ring, all the lug nuts and bob stem are good. No leak under the hub, lubricant is visible. Hot flap is present. Air balance is inflated. Cross member look good. Marking light. The light on the left. And both park lights. Dapat kakain mo yan. Dapat tingin sa pagod. All marking light. Marking light. Marking light is working. Ano tayo mas lawes dyan? Ano nagawa ka tayo?
Remember, look, marker light, working properly. Dito ka na. Ganyanin mo. License plate light is working and the license plate is present. Tapos dito ka na. The general aspects, the body back end of the trailer looks good. All marker lights, both park light and then signal light is working.
Looks good. Marking light. Signal light on the left. And plate light are working.
Hindi, mamaya mo na banggitin to.
Ha?
Mamaya mo na banggitin to. Sabay-sabay mo na yun.
Cross member. Marking cross member are look good. Marking light is working. Tapos,
Tira ka na dyan.
Ha?
Tira ka na dyan para hindi ka nalalawit mamaya. Yung license plate light.
License plate light. Signal light on the left.
Hindi, mamaya na yan.
Ha? Ay, ati lang yung tikok.
Oo.
Marking lights are working. License plate light is working. License plate is present. General aspect, the back end of the trailer looks good. All marking lights, both park lights, signal lights on the left are working. Wheels on the line. The suspension setting is setting level on the ground. Could you please check my brake light if it's working, and I will change the signal lights on the right.
Ano yan, Sabihin?
Hmm?
Can you stay here?
Sir, can you please stay here
Oh,
to check my brake light if it is working?
oh.
and I will change the signal light to the right.
Tapos patayin mo yung ano, ganun plano.
Oo.
Lipat na.
So pagdating ko dito, the brake light is working, sir.
Tatanungin mo ulit.
Sir, my brake light is working. Utang na utang ako.
Gagumurahin na.
Signal light on the right. Working light are working. Cross member. Are look good. Backstrap is present. Air balloons inflated. Wheels are aligned. Inner wall. Outer wall. The treads. The range. On the lug nuts. In valves are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is visible. Tires. No flats. Kalipatas yun. Dapat natin gumagayang madagos eh.
Pwede naman dyan pag nandyan ka na. Pero dapat ba magsunod-sunod mo, huwag kang makalimot.
Kaya nga eh.
Kung ano yung ano.
Yun ang inano ko, nakalimutan ko. Kaya kailangan talaga practice mo, practice.
The frame. Sama po yun, the frame.
The brake. Ang the best kasi dito, mud plug is present, air balloon is inflated,
Oh.
mud plug is present.
So, lacking paint.
Hindi, mamaya na yan. Nasa gitna ka na.
Oh.
Inner wall. Inner wall. Tapos dito ka. Huwag mong masyadong bilisan ha. Ganyan no. Inner ay
The
tread.
tread.
Sabay mo lang yung ano. Medyo
Bagalan sa tread.
hanggang dito yung tingin mo wag mong pagdan dito, ganyan ka agad. Kumbaga, iabot mo dito.
Ilalim.
Oo, kasi minsan stricto yung ano. Okay lang kung hindi stricto. Medyo the treads.
Ulitin ko dito.
Action.
The treads.
Action talaga.
The rim. Medyo wag mo masyadong bilisan.
Ulitin ko dito. Sir, I will continue. Signal light on the right. And marking lights are working. Press member. Are looks good. Two locking pin. Here and there. Looks good. Air balloons. Still plated. Hot prop is present.
Properly lock yun, hindi looks good ha.
Proper nila. Hindi yan. Inner wall. Asa na pag sira mo tayo at i-custom mo tayo?
Hindi na, basta ganyan lang.
Inner wall. Inner wall. Outer wall. The tread.
Yan, ganyan. Normal lang yung bilis.
The range. All the lug nuts. And bob frame are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is visible. Tires. No flats. Two visible part of the axle are looks good. Visible frame here. Looks good. Suspension bracket, ion, and shock absorber are good.
Pinalim ka konti para yung tinuturo mo, tinitignan mo. Ganyan, ganyan. Huwag ka mamaya.
Talagang-
Tinuturo mo lang, hindi mo tinitignan.
Taglang
Mas
tignan,
maganda yung
tignan.
Suspension
tinuturo.
bracket,
Yan.
ion, shock absorber
Kasi
are look good.
baka may stricto yung ano.
Oo.
Wheels are aligned. Air balloons inflated. The wall. Inner wall. Outer wall. The tread. The rim. All the lug nuts. The box string are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is not visible. Ay, visible pala yan. Suspension bracket, DR, shock absorber, are looks good. Cross member. Are looks good. Signal light on the right is working. Upper frame from front to back. Lower frame from back to front. Are looks good. Cross member. Pwede kayo lipasan. Pwede kayo lipasan.
Udah diretso?
Pwede na, pwede na i-diretso mo nun.
Doon na ako magta-test dapat.
Signal light.
Ay, banggitin. Ate, signal light lang yun. No, parehas pa IG ka.
Right signal light lang.
Right, signal light is working. Wheels.
Ulitin mo dyan. Mag-umpisa ka na dyan, palabas. Ay ano, kumbaga, di ba, cross member?
Remember? Are good.
Our looks good.
Looks good. Signal light on the right is working. Air balance inflated. Magic flap is present.
Yan.
Wheels are aligned. Nothing between. All the walls. That's right. The rim. All the lug nuts. The both flap rim are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is not visible. Tires. No flats. Lip support. Master lip ring, both U-bolt and shock absorber are looks good. Upper plate, fifth wheel are looks good. All anchoring bolts. Ate, yan yung anchoring bolts nyo. All anchoring bolts. Anta, are looks good.
Mag-isahin mo na siya kung baga para hindi ka na medyo ano, upper plate,
Upper plate,
fifth
fifth wheel,
and all the anchoring
all
bolts
anchoring bolts
are looks good.
are looks good.
Doon sa kabila are properly locked.
Are properly locked.
Dito naman sa kabila, looks good na siya.
Upper plate, fifth wheel, all anchoring bolts are looks good. Visible frame here, looks good. Air balance inflated, wheels are aligned, nothing between. All the walls. The threads. The rings. All the lug nuts. And both of them are good. No leak under the hub. Lubricant is not visible.
Yung valve system, ito yung valve system. Ay, ito. Sa ito. Ito ba? Saan ba yung stem? Ay, ito yung.
Hindi nga.
Oo. Okay na.
Saan ang ituro niyan? Yun.
Hindi, yun.
Yun ang ituro.
Oh, ito.
Oh, sige.
Valve stem. Lip support. Master lip spring. Both U-bolt and shock absorber are looks good. The frame muna pa ito eh. The frame, as far as I can see, looks good. The pipes are solid.
Exhaust pipe.
Exhaust pipe. Exhaust pipe.
Solid.
Huh? The exhaust pipe.
Solid. Solid.
The exhaust pipe is solid. Fuel cup is present. And both fasteners are properly tight. No, both properly tight. Ay, tank is solid pa yan. Tank is solid. And both fasteners are properly tight.
No leak under.
No leak under the top. Talpa si Jain. General aspect. The body of the trailer and tractor are looks good. Signal light on the right. Doon ka tampay ito eh.
Pagka general specs, the body of the truck and the trailer, medyo lingon mo rin ako para medyo yung nagsasalita ka na ko.
Oo, titipirin. Tipid eh.
General aspect. The body of the trailer.
The truck and the
Ah, general aspect. The body of the truck and trailer are look good. Signal light on the right.
Pagka nandito ka na, di mo natapos mo dito, atras ka na, okay? Dito ka na tapos. Magitin mo na yan, the body of the truck and the trailer are looks good.
Signal light on the right are working. Doon ka tampay ito kanin.
Oo,
Door. Close properly. Side mirror bracket are solid. Forget. Are solid. And signal light on the right is working. Then let's proceed. Let's proceed. Ha?
Tapos na pala yan.
Tapos na. Yan pinakauna.
Let's proceed to
Inside.
inside the cabin.
Sir, finished with my outside inspection.
Sir,
I'm finished with my outside inspection. Can we proceed? I will proceed to the inside inspection.
Ay, ano wala bukas.
Oo. Sir, I'm finished for my outside inspection. And let's continue to inside the cabin.
Ano yung na ano mo? Come on, yalla.
Nako, marumihan tong.
Lahat pala sarado ko na yun eh. No. Yung ano, cover.
Mamaya na pagka ano?
Hindi, pag ano.
Pagka isasarado mo yun, lahat.
First thing to do. Ay, sir, I'm ready for my inside inspection.
Sir, I will continue ka mo na lang.
Sir, I will continue the inspection.
Depende kung ano yung nakabisado mo.
Sir, I'm ready for my inside inspection. Hindi ka. Sir, I'm ready for my inside inspection. First thing to do, I'm gonna turn off all the light and signal light on the right and start the engine. Now, I'm gonna check the accelerator pedal if it's working good. The needle is rising up and down. It means the accelerator pedal is working properly. Now I'm gonna check the 3 components holding brake. First, the throttle holding brake, pull the yellow and push the red knob, and I will put the gear and drive to the right. Walang tama dyan.
Wala pang kabig yun.
Ha?
Walang kabig yun, kumbaga abante ka lang.
Hindi mo nagalawin.
Good enough. Second thing, the trailer holding brake, put the red and push the yellow knob. Good enough. Third thing, the service and brake of the trailer, push the yellow and red knob and pull down the service and brake. Good enough. Therefore, these 3 component holding brake are working properly. Now I will turn the steering to the left to check if the wheels are free from the brake. Yeah, pantik na ka. The wheels are turning, therefore they are free from the brake. Same thing, I will turn the steering to the right to check if the wheels are free from the brake. And this is my chance to check the steering wheel is working properly. The wheels are turning, therefore they are free from the brake. And the steering wheel is working properly. I'll move forward to check the foot brake pedal. The foot brake pedal is working properly. Now, I will take some part inside and outside the cabin to convex mirror.
Check. I will check.
I will check. I will take some part inside and outside the cabin to convex mirror. Are goods, no crack. Windshield is good, no cracks. Wiper and washer fluid are working properly. Defroster, set full blower settings. Are working and no gas anything smell. Both side mirror, both window, both side mirror are good. Both window can move down and up are good. Are good.
Siniro,
Kahit
no?
di mo nalagyan ng good yun. Both windows can goes up and down. Yun lang naman yun yung function no. Depende kung ano yung nakabisado mo pero
Are good skin.
are good ski.
Both window can move down and up are good. Steering is solid and well anchored.
Steering kulong.
City horn, highway horn are working properly. The seat is solid. Seat belt latching properly. Katik penuhan. Pwede kikatin no? Now, I'm gonna check the compressor if it's working good. Pump the brake until 80 psi. The needles on 80 psi. And I will stay my foot on the brake and hold. Then observe.
What
Then,
needle?
then observe
What needle?
both needle are rising up.
Now.
Now it's rising up to 90 psi and keep rising. It means the compressor can compensate the loss of air. Therefore, the compressor is working properly. Tapos, sir, I will have the accelerator to wait the parts comes out.
Kagir tayo.
Dapat yan, may control.
Neutral mo. Yan yung...
The parts comes out approximately 125 psi, which is
Tingnan
good.
mo, wag mong titignan yung ano.
Turo mo.
Ano?
Turo mo, tingin mo.
The parts comes out approximately 125 psi, which is good because it's in between 117 to 137 psi. Sir, I'm gonna check the air leak test. Switch on the switch off the engine and switch on the key for the electronic
Ibalik mo
communication.
to ha.
Ibalik ko din.
Sige, susunod na. Basta araw-arawin mo ay dapat whole day ka bukas. Ay, Lunes. Para at least ma-practice mo ng dulo-dulo talaga. Piso-piso.
Lunes. Martes na pala.
Switch on the key for the electronic communication. Push the brake and hold. The air goes down approximately 4 psi, which is good because 4 to 7 psi is minor defect, but more than 7 psi is major defect. I can hear any air leak from the outside and inside the cabin. It means the air system of this unit is working properly.
Ganyan mo siya.
Huh?
Sa ganyan.
Toy.
Oh, I can
Ah.
hear. Oh, ganyan.
Tapos ano ti unay toy?
Depende naman sa loob. Ganyan, I can hear. Ganyan mo siya, tapos saka mo ilabas yung ulo mo. Di.
Pwedeng ganyan mo.
Oh. Oh, ganyan.
I can hear any air leak from the outside and inside the cabin. Therefore, the air system of this unit is working properly. I'll start the engine to check the
Low pressure.
lower pressure warning lights.
Buzzer
The
light.
lower pressure warning lights.
Buzzer light.
warning light.
Huh? To check, I start the engine to check the low air pressure warning buzzer lights. The low air pressure warning light comes on approximately 55 psi, which is good because it should not be on 55 psi. Sir, I'm done with my circle check.
Pre-trip. Check.
Circle check, pwede rin yun. Pre-trip, pwede rin. Oh! Traction yun.
Kalas?
Alas. Alas na ba?
And I ready to drive.
Okay.
Yeah, hit the road.